What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today's Down and Dirty. It's going to be short, it's going to be sweet, and it's probably going to piss some people off, but you know what? We're used to it now. Operating is an art form. It's not all just clear cut, dry, set in stone. There's only one way to do it. Even though most people in the industry will tell you there's only one correct way to do things, and it just so happens to be their way of doing things. That's just something that you as a new operator need to understand getting into this industry, because what's going to happen is you're going to get on a dirt job, you're going to think you're doing great, and then some old timer's going to come over, rip you up and down, telling you that you're doing it the stupidest way possible, you're an idiot, you should get out of the machine, you have no business sitting in the seat. So what are you going to do? You're going to take their advice, you're going to start doing it their way, and then you're going to get on a different crew, and you're going to think you're doing great, until another new old timer walks up to you and rips you up and down and tells you you're stupid and you're doing it all wrong and you have no business being in the seat. And then you hang your head again. It's just something you're going to encounter in this industry. And so as a new operator, I would highly encourage you, look around, really study. You've heard me talk about it on this channel a lot. Look around and study what other operators are doing around you on the job site and use your brain. Interpret that information and come up with your technique. There are some operators that may do this one particular thing really well. And if you study their technique, you may pick up on that technique because they do it so well. Meanwhile, over here in the loader, for instance, they totally suck and they aren't worth anything. That's okay. You don't have to take, and even within that one piece of equipment, let's say you had a finish dozer operator that did an incredible job at putting down a finish grade, but when it came to bulky material, least inefficient operator you've seen. That's okay. Take the piece of information that benefits you, that helps you move your skill set forward. Take that nugget from that operator. Learn that one particular aspect and apply it to your operating, and then go find someone that does really good, efficient bulk pushing in a dozer and get that skill set from that operator. If you truly got into this industry because you wanted to be a tradesman, because you wanted to hone your craft, naturally, you're going to start looking around and you're going to start seeing things about the way different operators do stuff. And I'm a prime example of that. I put myself out here on this channel all the time, and 100%, no one's going to agree with everything that I do and every single technique that I put forward. That's okay. I've made a comfortable living doing it the way that I do it. It doesn't mean it's the best. It doesn't mean it's the only way. It's just the way I do it. And I can tell you right now, because I am a tradesman, I'm constantly trying to improve. I'm constantly watching other operators to try to update my techniques. And guess what? This is to all you old timers that are watching that have some snide comment to put down in the comments below. Young kids can teach too. You may have a young guy that shows up on the job site that for whatever reason, man, he can dig like nobody's business in that excavator. I can't quite place what makes him so fast. So me as an old timer, because now I'm one of the old timers on the job site, I'm going to watch. I'm going to watch the young kid and I'm going to try to figure out what it is that's making him so efficient. And I'm going to try to take that on and add it to my skill set. This is what it is to be an operator, guys. It's not sitting around on YouTube making snide comments to everyone talking about how stupid they are. It's not walking over to the guy in the excavator who just started 3 days ago telling him that he's the world's worst operator and he has no business being in a seat. That's not what being an operator is about. Being an operator is about honing your craft, making it your own, and continuing to improve and get better and better and better, because that's what we do in the skilled trades. That's what a trade is. This is our entire profession. It's our entire livelihood. We should be dedicating ourselves to getting better and improving, not just getting to where we're comfortable and then going, screw it. Yep, this is what you get. This is me. So that's all I've got for today. Come into this industry with a thick skin, develop your own skills, and recognize at the end of the day, operating is an art. Everyone has their own signature, and it is like handwriting. Everyone has their own signature. When I work alongside Rick on the job site, the way he and I will approach a situation is totally different. Even our laborer, who is relatively new, has already picked up on the fact that Rick and I come at problems in different ways. And even when it comes to the finesse and the control that we have over our machine versus how quick we approach a job is totally different between operators. That's your signature. Own it. Be proud of your signature and continue to improve upon your signature throughout your career. So as always, I hope this helps you guys out. You guys enjoy it. We'll catch you next time.